Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will talk about how to order from two different places on Uber Eats app. Watch until the end to learn how to do this. Open Uber Eats app on your mobile phone and log in to your account. On the homepage you will see a search bar at the very top of the page. Search your favorite restaurants and select any item which you want to order. Here you will see Add to Cart option and then tap on it. Now tap on back arrow sign. Now search for your second restaurant, and again select any item which you want to order and add to cart. At the top right side of the page, you will see a cart icon, which may appear like basket, and tap on it. Here you will see your orders. Now tap View Cart one by one. Tap on to Checkout. Review your order and then click on Place Order. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.